Hi everyone, my name is Brian and I'm a part of the 5 p.m. section Team 2 along with Michael, Kevin, Jordy, Peter, and Sophia. We worked on the Courses Search app and here's our project demo.
Hi, this is Michael. I worked on a feature on the back end that makes it so that when we try to create a new personal schedule with an existing name and quarter, it's rejected. So to see how this works, we're going to go into the Swagger UI and we're going to open up the personal schedules controller. If we do a quick get, we'll see that the repository is currently empty. And then let's try posting some new personal schedules. If we just post any sample personal schedule, we'll see that it properly functions. We now have a new personal schedule with the correct name, description, and quarter. But if we were to try that again, even with a different description, as long as the name and the quarter are the same, when we try to execute, we'll get an illegal argument exception and a message that this personal schedule already exists.
Hi, my name is Brian and I worked on both the front end and back end components of the personal schedule post method. Here in Swagger, I can create a personal schedule. And if I create a personal schedule with a name longer than 15 characters, an error will be returned saying that the name parameter is restricted to 15 chars or less. On the front end, if I create a personal schedule with a name longer than 15 characters, a more user-friendly message will be returned saying that the max length is 15 characters.
Hi, my name is Kevin, and I worked on the back end for the 5 p.m. Courses app. And what I did specifically was I ensured that you were not able to add a duplicate course to your personal schedule. And I only did the back end implementation of this. So if we go to Swagger and we try to post or try to add a course to our schedule and say we want to take CS40. I'm going to take this section specifically. So let's get the enroll code. Let's add it in. It's just a ID. And as you can see, we are able to successfully add this course into our personal schedule with the section. And say we want to enroll again. So this is the duplicate. We're going to do it, and it's not going to let us. It's going to print out that the class already exists in schedule, and it's basically giving us an error, and basically no duplicates are allowed.
Hi everyone, I'm Jordy and I work on the back end for the UCSB Courses app. I updated the endpoints to add and delete courses from your personal schedule. So originally, if you wanted to add this Astro 1 course to your schedule, you would have to add the enroll code for the lecture and the discussion section separately. And what I did was I improved this feature so that when you add the discussion enroll code, the lecture is automatically added. And also, you can no longer add the lecture without a discussion section. So we'll see that right here. This is the lecture code. If we try to add it, we get an error. And if we add the discussion code, both courses get added to our schedule. And I did a similar improvement for the delete endpoint, where if we delete one, it will delete both of them.
Hi, my name is Peter. I worked on a front-end component for the 5 p.m. Courses project. In particular, this component is called the Personal Sections table. So originally, if you went to the details page in a personal schedule, you will only be able to see details about the personal schedule, but you will not be able to see the sections that are in a personal schedule. If we add a new class to the schedule and we go back to the details page, with this personal sections table, we are now able to see the classes that are in a personal schedule first.
Hi, my name is Sophia, and I'm going to be going over the personal schedule drop-down component, which was added to 5 p.m. courses. So in this component, which is labeled schedule, there's a drop-down component which contains the quarter as well as the year, followed by the description of the personal schedule. And in this case, we only have one personal schedule, so when you click on the drop-down, that's all you see. However, in the case where there are multiple, such as 3 personal schedules, you can click on the drop-down and see each of the personal schedules which are listed under the same format as before.